Rasta, you know, you pressure yourself on the girl thing, you know, and you don't know it going on. You think they will bust up your brain.
Yo, Rasta, you know which man me see once I preach to some people, aya?
Who that, Jack?
See, Pastor man, don't take your woman, Jack.
Jesus love me.
Praise the Lord!
This I know. For my Bible.
Hallelujah!
Tell me so.
Fire!
Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire for your pastor!
Satan, hold the position. Hold the position. I'm the living fire. I am the fire.
Alright, you are fire! Let me see which fire water can out. You are fire!
Hallelujah, kid.
Import the board! Import the board!
Holy Ghost, no. Hold the Jesus.
Pastor, pray, Pastor. Devil throw that Pastor, pray.
No man, Pastor, you have to kill him, man. You have to kill him, man.
Let him no pastor. RastaMan get beat up. Wow! Call the ambulance.
Yo, fire!
Hey everyone, it's Denise from Looking Alley channel. Today we're having the RastaMan that got beat up recently and the pastor man of bottom up. So we're recording live, interviewing them because that video went viral and the internet loved it. So now we're going to ask the pastor his take. What took place last time?
Big up Queen Ali and the YouTube viewers. Subscribe to our channel. But anyway, the RastaMan here, it wasn't no physical fight between me and him because I could never fight the Rasta. It's bigger than the Rasta, and I have to beat the devil out of the Rasta because the devil tried to stop the progress of me ministering to the people, and I am a man of God. I preach and practice righteousness, so I would not want to fight the Rasta, but the devil tried to convince him to come pick war with me, and me just me just calm down the Rasta and I hold him down that it not escalate. So it wasn't a fight between me and the Rasta, we just did have to beat the devil out of the Rasta.
So what's your take about the incident?
Find out so right now, my woman start go to church regular. Yeah? And everything she take out of the yard go give pastor. My biggest fruits, I eat the woman I look for, say she want the best pastor. So I start wonder what go on with she and pastor. So one day, you know, me trail I go to church and I find out say after church, a pastor and my woman me see, you know. I don't know what kind of position them in there if I want with me and compromising. But me never like what I go on. So alright, me here say pastor dey on the corner. So me reach on the corner now. And me I say, yo, fire upon the pastor. But when me take a check, you know, the pastor give me some rotted lick. Me can't believe it. Right now the Rasta they run me from Bubble Hill and say, boy, me get beat up by the pastor. So me have to just forgive the pastor, you know, and know say I love. Because we have say no to violence. Yeah, more love.
Yes, Rasta, it's one love, and you know, we emphasize on the fact that, you know, it's no violence. Me and the Rasta wasn't fighting, as him say, we're practicing love. Yes, it's love, and we're practicing peace and a violence-free Jamaica. We say no to war. I did not take his woman, I just basically bless her and sanctify her soul. And that was basically it. So, more love and respect to you, Miss Queen Ali. It was a pleasure having you here to let the nation know what took place. Blessings and respect.
Jesus is the reason for my life.